are going to see about resistors in parallel. Okay, resistors in series we have seen. Now we will see how resistors in parallel work. Okay, same way like we have taken the circuit, key, battery, ammeter. I have not fixed the resistors because I should show you how it is fixed. No points. Okay, 3 resistors I have fixed: R1, R2, R3. How it is connected, you see, like this. These are the points. And this, like this we can connect. And current will move from here. It will go like this. It will go like this. It will go like this. It will go and move. Okay. For example, particularly if you want to take one, see here, this is one point X, Y, what I have taken here. How to fix the voltmeter and ammeter. See here, this is the point I said, no? If you are taking like this, you keep the resistor here, and then to measure current in this, we should keep one ammeter here. Okay? And in this point, you can fix a voltmeter to measure the potential difference, like that. Okay, see here, ammeter is fixed to measure the potential difference. Okay, then same like this while connecting. How will you connect? Separate if you want to check we want to measure the current and the potential difference. Okay, so if you measure like this, no, from this we came to know that in series I said that current is same, but here if you check here, current is different. If you check here, current is different. If you check here, current is different. So it is just opposite to that of that, no? So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. There we studied V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, no? Here V is same, but current is different. So if you want to find current, I is equal to, according to this, I is equal to V by R. So 1, if you want to find it individually, I is equal to V1 by R1. V is same. So V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. Like that we can find it out, the formula. So the formula tells that equivalent resistance is 1 by Rp is equal to, this is important, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, it's very easy, you know, compared to that. Okay, that is very easy. So this is also easy. 1 by Rp is equal to equivalent resistance, no? When resistors are connected in parallel, equal resistance of what? When they are connected in parallel, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The numerical, if you see, R1 they have given, R2, R3, 3 are there. D is also there. We are asked to find current. Okay. So 3 things we should find. First one is current, individual current. Then current in total, because here current is different, no? So individual current, current in total, then total resistance we should find it out. See, I is equal to, individually if you want to find, V by R1. V they have given 12. So 12 by 5. Okay. I2 is equal to V by R2. 12 they have given already. So 12 by 10 you will get. This we should be very careful. We should put the unit. Okay. I3 is equal to V by R3. So 12 by 30. You will get 0.4 amps. So this is how we should find it out. If you want to find the total current, current in total, I is equal to all the 3, I1 plus I2 plus I3. So what is the total current? 4 amps. Okay, like last time we studied about potential difference different, and then we have taken the total, no? Same way here current. Total resistance is equal to, third question is total resistance, no? First one is individual current, that we got it. The next one is in total. That also we got it. Then the third one is total resistance. Here total resistance is 1 by Rp is equal to the formula 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30 is equal to, if you take LCM, you will get 10 by 30 is equal to 1 by 3. So 10 ohms. Okay. Second numerical, R1 10 ohms, R2 40 ohms, R3 30 ohms, R4 20 ohms, R5 60 ohms. Potential difference also they have given it as 12 volt. We should find two things, total resistance and total current. The figure is like this. See the circuit, R1, R2 together here, R3, R4, R5 too. So we should make this as one equivalent resistance and this as one equivalent. Then it will be easy for us. See, total resistance we should find, no? So R1 and R2, we can take it as, we can combine together and you can take it as equivalent resistance. And these three we can combine together and take equivalent resistance. See, for example, R1 and R2 can be taken as R dash. R3, R4, R5 are taken as like this. Okay, so 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. You will get this. Same way, this equivalent resistance if you are taking R2, you will get this. What are the things we should find? Total resistance. No, total resistance R is equal to this plus this is equal to 18 ohms. The second thing we should find total current. Total current also we should find it out. Current formula is I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. V is equal to 12 they have given. R is equal to total is 18. So 12 by 18 is equal to 0.67 amps. Okay. So got the answer. So after studying these two things, what is the extract from this? The three important points in series we have taken, no? Like if they are connected in series, current is same. Here current is different. Their potential difference is different. Here potential difference is same. And the formula RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But here 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Keep this in mind, these 3 points. Okay. So here this is advantage or that is advantage for, this is having an advantage because it can divide current, because if you are connecting two things in the same, in series, one tube as well as one toaster, each one requires different current, no? Different amps. So in series it is not possible, so we should go for parallel circuit. It divides current and the total resistance is also decreased, so each gadget can use different resistance and different current. So 3 points here. I is different. Sometimes when we are celebrating some festivals and all, no, we used to put that serial bulbs, small bulbs, fairy bulbs it is called. In case if one bulb is dead, it is very difficult to find out which bulb is dead. So it is very difficult. So which one is having advantage? Parallel is having advantage. So by this we have come to the end of resistors in series and resistors in parallel. Bye.